A suspended Google business profile means lost calls, vanished leads, and disappearing customers instantly. Whether it's an HVAC company, roofing service, garage door repair, or local contractor, no visibility means no business. Most suspensions happen without warning. Google flags profiles for inconsistent addresses, category errors, or documentation issues, and one wrong step in the appeal can delay reinstatement for weeks. That's why professional reinstatement support matters. Zonic Media helps local businesses restore suspended profiles through a verified, compliant reinstatement process that actually gets results. Every case starts with a complete suspension audit to identify the real cause. Once verified, a proper reinstatement file is submitted through Google's support system, the right way, the first time. And here's the best part: no fix, no charge. If reinstatement isn't achieved, the service is fully refundable, guaranteed. Each day a profile stays suspended equals missed opportunities. Fast reinstatement means more calls, more visibility, and more customers. Get a free suspension audit today. No waiting, no guesswork, just clear answers and guaranteed recovery support. Zonic Media, restoring visibility, rebuilding trust, ranking local.